How to fix 1010 app not working. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna give you a quick guide on how we can fix your 1010 app not working. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to hit that like, share and subscribe option. So first thing first, you need to download 1010 application onto your device and make sure you have updated. Just go to your Play Store and look if you have updated the app or not. Go to your Play Store and search for 1010 app. After that, you will be able to see the update option. Just tap on update if you see the option, and that should work. If that doesn't work, I want you to just go to the app info of that particular app. After going there, you will be able to storage, and here you will be able to see two options called clear cache and clear data. So I want you to tap on the clear cache option first, and if that option doesn't work, just reset your app by clearing your data, and I'm sure that should work. And on the very last option, we have the option of reinstalling the app. For that, you just need to uninstall the application from your device, tap on OK, and reinstall the application onto your device. So therefore, by following these methods, you should be able to fix your 1010 app not working on your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.